day everyone! Ngayong araw na ito, tuklasin natin ang ilang makasaysayang lugar sa bayan ng Balanga.
Simulan natin sa pagbiyahe mula sa Limay patungo sa Balanga.
Nakarating na kami sa lungsod ng Balanga at ito ang aming mga unang ginawa.
Ako si Katleya.
Ako si Marish. Ako si Arlene.
At ako naman si Ara. At kami ang inyong magiging lakbay-gabay.
The former name is Cathedral Parish of St. Joseph. It is founded in 1793. Dedication for the St. Joseph. Consecrated on March 17, 2005. Functional status is active. The church building style is Baroque.
Clergy, Archbishop Florentino G. Lavarias, Bishops, vacant. Rector Noel Nigid, Assistant Priest, Jersey Prepost Alwin Bobis.
It represents heartbreaking details about the conflict in question, particularly the horrific Bataan Death March, which claimed thousands of lives for both American and Filipino soldiers.